Hello everyone, I'm Mick from Woodworking UK. Today we're going to have a look at the Katsu Plunge base. Right, this is the base. It's aluminium construction and it's sold by AM Tools. It's $28.99. I'll put a link below so you can have a look at it. It fits the standard Katsu trimmer. It also fits the Makita RT0700C, which I suppose is the equivalent version of this. Right, as I say, it's aluminium construction. The plastic parts on it are half decent quality plastic. They don't feel the cheap, nasty plastic. And basically, it's a decent quality little base. It has the little guard on it, but obviously still wear your goggles as well. Don't just use this guard. I think next we'll see about fitting the trimmer into it. Fit them together. On the trimmer you'll see this inlay here, and on the base you can see there's actually a little pin just inside. If you line the pair of them up together, the whole thing will fit together nice and easy. Drops in, locks together. And what I had to do with this particular base when I got it is this screw here, I had to tighten it up about one turn just so it nipped up a little bit tighter. I didn't like how it was as it came from the factory, so I nipped it up just slightly. So let's see how it is in here. A lot of people have complained when they're using this base, they don't feel very confident switching it on and off. They feel very unsafe. But with having this particular base on, it's very easy. Relax, you've still got both hands on everything. It's nice and easy to work with. Everything's within your thumb's reach, which is good. And it feels very sturdy, very strong. It doesn't feel very plasticky or loose. It feels like a very strong piece of equipment. So let's go over. Also, I've noticed with this, a lot of people do like having this particular kit here. It does fit this base, so that's another good point to having this particular base for it. So you've got basically your plunge router and your trimmer as well, which was a good little kit to have together. The only slight problem I have with it, and it's just a personal problem, is this cord all the time. I'm constantly having to push it out the road or keep it in one direction. It would have been better if it was coming out the top maybe, but that's the machine, that's not the base. We're looking at the base today. So let's recap. It's made by Katsu, sold by AM Tools, and I'll put a link below for you. It's aluminium construction, the normal plastic handles, decent quality. It's good quality, and quite honest, I like it. I think it's a decent piece of kit. For the price of that, with the trimmer, I think it's a good introductory model for beginners. They've got basically, if they buy the trimmer, they get this bit. Then if you buy this bit, you've got your plunge router as well, which means you can do the nice engraving bit that a lot of people on site seem to like to do. You can see what's going on inside. It has a little shield on the front, but obviously I suggest you wear your proper goggles. Don't use this as your main shield. And yeah, I think it's a good little piece of kit. So $28.99, and like I say, I'll put the link below for it and go and have a look. Thanks very much now. We'll see you next time. Bye.